Welcome to this quick setup guide for your water cooling Radiator M2. Once you receive your package, you'll find several key components inside. A temperature controller, a controller base plate, water pump accessories, radiator accessories, tubing connectors, the water pump itself, and 4 button caps. Let's start by installing the temperature controller. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal, and connect both the yellow and green wires to the negative terminal. Then, connect the fans, beginning with the 2 shortest wires. Once that's done, the controller setup is complete. Next, install the water pump accessories and radiator fittings. After that, connect the tubing securely to the water pump. Once everything is connected, plug in the pump's power connector. Make sure the connection is tight and secure. That's it. Your water cooling system is now assembled and ready to go. If you need any help during setup, don't hesitate to reach out to us.